Chicken Khorma recipe.
First of all, take half coconut, 2 tablespoons sesame till, 2 tablespoons poppy seeds couscous, and some peanuts. Roast them all, grind and keep aside. Take 500 grams chicken, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon mirch masala, 3 teaspoons coriander powder, half teaspoons garam masala, half teaspoons turmeric, 1 tablespoon salt. Add masala paste and half cup curd. Mix all. Add oil and whole spices like cinnamon, cardamom, black pepper, clove, and caraway seeds. Ray. Add that marinated chicken to it. Cook it well. Lastly, add coriander and green chilies. Subscribe us for more recipes.